All you'll need is a Torx T20 screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and some work gloves. Before any repairs, always unplug your appliance from the mains. If your dishwasher is an integrated model, pause the video and follow these steps to gain access if needed. To gain access to the actuator, the right side panel needs to be removed on this dishwasher model. It's super easy. Start by removing the Torx T20 screw found on the front. The side panel can then be removed and placed to one side. Lift the insulation up. The actuator is found here, connected to the side chamber. Unclip and remove this plastic case to allow more room. The actuator is held in place by a tab at the bottom. Push this in and rotate the actuator clockwise to remove. Then remove the electrical wire connectors. Unpackage your new dishwasher actuator. To install, there's a tab on top of the actuator. This needs to connect to the side chamber when rotating the actuator anti-clockwise. The tab at the bottom will also lock into place. Attach the electrical wire connectors. Reattach the plastic casing, making sure it clicks into place, and then tuck the wires neatly underneath. Flip the insulation back over. Reattach the side panel by lining up the two slots with the two small plastic tabs on the bottom of the dishwasher. Line these up and then pull the panel up to connect and click in place. Rescrew the front Torx T20 screw back in place. And that's it. Your new dishwasher actuator is all set to go.